subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily make your new profile border for Instagram. So for doing this, you just need to open and find this application. Here you can see it, profile border for Instagram. So just find it in App Store. So just write in search tab profile border for Instagram and just click on get and just wait some time until it will successfully install it on your phone. So now you just need to wait some time until it will successfully install this app on your phone and you will open it. So now you just add here your profile and you can customize your border with different fonts. Here you can see it, different fonts. You can also different backgrounds you can also add to your image, and it's really nice. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.